Hello friends, and this is me a couple days ago at a new listing that I'll be putting on the market here in the near future. And I'm looking at a common landscaping problem, which is flower beds that are not maintained, they're not mulched, the weeds have taken over to an extent, but the ground is so hard and packed and dry that not even the weeds are doing well in this area. So it's time to spruce this house up and give it a little curb appeal at not much expense. So what it's going to take to fix this yard up is one truckload of cedar bark. And I was going to do around this tree. I was going to cut it out and put a little bit of bark here, but I think I'll just put some topsoil and a little bit of grass seed. But it won't help us in the listing because it'll take a while for the seed to grow, but that's what needs to happen here. It's a little bit too big of an area, and wasn't going to have enough bark today. So we'll just go with the bark and on the flower beds. Here I am at my favorite nursery again, Arbor Nursery in Riverton, Utah, and I'm getting 2 scoops, which is 2 cubic yards of cedar bark. And the cost of 2 cubic yards is $130 with tax right now. It did go up some with inflation, so it is costing me a little bit of money, but $130 isn't too bad of a deal. Now we're back at the house, and this is what 2 cubic yards looks like after it's been leveled out. So it's a little bit of work, but I've got my trusty magic buckets with me, so it'll make the work really easy. And here's what it looks like. I'm not going to show you all the work, this is a quick video today, but I just want to show you how a little bit of bark spruces up an area. Obviously it'll help the soil, it retains moisture, it suppresses weeds, and it'll add fertility over time. So bark is a good thing, and covering the soil is what you need to do and not leave bare soil. I see a lot of people with beautiful landscapes that have bare soil, and all you're doing is inviting weeds and you're inviting erosion, and this is the way to keep that under control. So anyway, thanks for watching this short video, and I appreciate your support. And if you like what you see, please check out my extensive library of videos. I've got lots of different topics to talk about. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe if you like what you see. Thank you.